Clickup Tutorial for Students 2024. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about ClickUp and how you can use this incredible task and project management application for yourself. Okay, so to start things off, let me tell you about myself. I am a medical student, okay? I am studying the art of medicine, and usually what happens is while I am in med school, the life is so hectic that it makes it quite difficult for me to assign my tasks, okay? Because, take classes, then do practicals, then study, then obviously I do an internship as well, so go to that. And then there's a lot of things that go on. So it makes life really difficult. When should I do my assignments? When should I, check out the cadaver? When should I finish the projects? All these things, they're so difficult to keep in line. So what I did was I started using ClickUp, and ClickUp helped me tremendously. Now, how did ClickUp help me tremendously? Let me show you. So to start things off, here we are on ClickUp, right? You're going to come to clickup.com. And on clickup.com, here's what's going to happen. Now, over here to start your sign up process, what you're going to basically want to do is you are going to come to clickup.com. Okay, that's pretty standard, right? Now, over here, we're going to come to sign up, okay? Because they do tell you the features down here. You can check them out if you want to. But I would find it much better if we just get it straight into the platform and discuss about the features that are already recurring and, show it to you with examples in the platform. So to start things off, as I stated, we're going to go to sign up. Now, once you go to sign up, it's going to bring up the sign up for free section where it will ask you all the details that you need to sign up. So I will first of all add my email and click on next. Now, once you do that, it's going to be loading things in. And it's going to bring you to this section where we're going to load in. Then you're going to add in your name. You already have your email added. Then we are simply going to go ahead and add our password. There we go. And then we are going to click on play with ClickUp. Okay. So once we add that for ourselves, it says that we emailed you your verification code. So mine is 6945. So once we add that, I'm going to click on next. And here it says, what would you like to use ClickUp for? So obviously there's work, personal, and school. I'm going to go with work. How large is your company? I'm going to go with this much. How many people will you be working with? Let's go with 26 for 50. And what is your role? So I'm going to go with team leader. Which solution would you like to start with? Let's go with, obviously in our case, it's setting our tasks aside for medical stuff and all. So I'm going to go with personal use. And how did you hear about us? Let's go ahead with the YouTube. Why not? And it says, enter your phone number. I usually skip this because I don't see the need for it to use our phone number. Then it says, do you use any of these tools? If you do, go ahead and add them and you can import your data. Once you do all that, click on finish and it's going to take you straight into Monday.com's working setup. Okay. So in Monday.com, here's what we are going to be doing. Now, once you're over here, there's a lot of things that go along with it or go through with it, and I'm going to be talking to you about it. So when you're in this is what you call your Monday.com workspace, okay? This is the space where the whole dashboard working goes on and everything. So when you're over here, you can see quite a lot of things. So there's adding tasks and this whole dashboard. So it might be a bit difficult for you to, go through with this. So ClickUp basically will allow you to get familiarized with your space. So it will automatically, first of all, take you to this section where you're going to start seeing your projects. Beforehand, let me tell you that this is your home page where you're going to see your whole dashboard, everything assigned to you in a, summarized insight. And you have inbox, documents, you have all the dashboards that you need to work with. And then there's a whole lot of more things like docs, dashboards, whiteboards, pulse, goals, and a whole lot more. So to start things off, we're going to come to team space. And in team space, you have your recents, you have different views of boards and everything. So I'm going to go to this, okay, projects. So this is your first project. Now, as a med student, what kind of things do we have? So I'm going to make 3 different discrete projects. So the first, I'm going to call this med school. Okay, this is all the things that I need to do for med school. Then I'm going to make this one. This one can be for, let's say, let's go with the internship. Okay, so this is for my internship. And once you do this, we're going to create another project section over here. We're going to click on plus. And once you click on plus, you're going to create a new list. Okay, and we're going to call this list life. Okay, I'm just going to call it that. We're going to click on create list. Now we have three lists. One is med school, one is internship, one is life. So in this, first of all, we have this. It's a to-do list. So in the to-do list, we're going to add the tasks we have. So for med school, what tasks can we have? So first of all, let's say assignments. So here we're going to add some assignments, and then down here we can add details that we need to do this assignment at this time, etc., etc. So, pretty basic stuff. And once you add the details, then there's statuses. So to do, in progress, complete, whatever the status is, you can keep that in. You can add subtasks to it and everything. And once you do all of that, as you can see, it's changed to assignments. Then again, from assignments, we can switch to projects. Okay, there you have projects. I'm gonna go out of this. And then finally, you can add something like, let's go with the practicals. Okay, so once we add these over here, you can back out of all of this. That basically saves everything. So assignments, projects, and practicals. Then obviously the assignee bar isn't really helpful over here because obviously in the end it will be assigned to you and you only. Then there's due dates. You can actually keep due dates, which is a good feature. So let's say the due date for this is Feb 9th. The due date for this is on Thursday. The due date for this is 5th. So you can actually keep different due dates for different works that you have, okay? So these are the types of things that you are going to want to have a concentration of. You're going to want to, keep these things in mind when working with them, okay? So make sure that everything is aligned and assigned properly to the way you want it to be, okay? Because these things are really, you could say, they're quite needed, and it just works much better if you have this corresponded with your work ethic. And once we've created this for ourselves, let's go over ahead to internship, and then the same way you're going to add the tasks for your internship if you have any. You can add tasks for your life. And moving on, you can also create automations. For instance, let's say in med school, I'm going to go into automations and I'm going to add an automation. So let's say if this is active, you can switch it to closed. And when it switches from active to closed, you can, remove from list, delete task or subtask. So let's say I'm going to create this. Okay. So if this goes from active to complete, obviously in a while it is going to be removing these tasks from our list, and there you go, it's removed now. So you can do automations like this to make your life easier, make your work much easier, and that's pretty much about it. That is how you can do your task and project management on ClickUp in the easiest way. So yeah, that's pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end. I hope this was well for you med students, and I hope your med journeys go great. So thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.